Welcome to another episode of Variety Kitchen with me, Hari. Today I've come with a special dish which everyone knows about it. It's called KFC chicken. It's not a authentic KFC chicken. It's like a look-alike, but I'll show you it will taste better. It's my own recipe. Try this home. So for the homemade KFC chicken, or I would say fried chicken, similar to KFC, what you need is that first you have to have chicken which is marinated for almost 3 hours. For marination, what I did is that I took around this is almost a kg of chicken with skin. You can see with skin this is, and this you need to marinate in buttermilk. When you make buttermilk, make sure don't put chili powder, because the chicken texture is always white in color inside. So don't put chili powder. Only for the coating you can put the chili powder. Instead you can use green chili. It's like you can make a buttermilk with green chili, salt and ginger garlic paste. And once you do that, marinate the chicken. Make sure that you have the skin, you don't remove the skin. You should have the skin clean well, and you can with the skin you just marinate for 3 to 4 hours. More hours you keep, it'll be more tastier. So this is how the chicken should look like. So it's soaked in buttermilk almost for 4 hours. Okay, now what I did, I strained the whole buttermilk. So now chicken is what you have to do, you need to add chili powder here. So almost make sure that based on your taste you can add the green chili. So you can see the green chili, so you can remove the green chili from the chicken, and then you add chili powder on top of it. So I'll add around 1 spoon of chili powder. So it's only for the initial coating. Then further coating I'll show you how to do this, and little salt. So again I'm telling you, in the buttermilk don't add any chili, red chili. Add only green chili with salt, ginger garlic paste, and marinate for 4 hours. Once it's been done, remove the buttermilk and then mix the chicken with chili powder and salt. So once the buttermilk has been strained, and after that I added chili powder and little salt, and then after that you need to boil this. So normally it's best way to do is that you can keep it in a pressure cooker, and I love to cook it for with after 2 whistle you can remove that. Again I'll repeat it what I did here. So what I did, initially I cleaned the chicken with the skin, and added around for a 1 kg chicken I added around 10 green chili, buttermilk and salt and ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 spoon of ginger garlic paste. And after that I kept it for 4 hours to marinate. Once that's been done, remove the buttermilk, add red chili powder and a little salt, and then cook it in a pressure cooker for 5 minutes. Then once that's been done, I'll tell you what to do. So for the coating, what you need is that all purpose flour, which is maida, and corn flour. So I took around for a 1 kg chicken I took around almost this spoon, 4 spoon of maida and 2 spoon of corn flour. So on top, what I'll do is that I'll add chili powder, red chili powder. So I'll add 1 spoon red chili powder, then salt for taste, and then pepper. So it's almost like 1 spoon pepper. Based on your if you want more spicy, you can add more. Otherwise, this is a normal one. So and mix well. Okay, now I boiled the chicken. You can see it's almost 90% done. So we will keep it to cool down, and meanwhile what I'll do, I'll take 1 egg. You can see the 1 egg, and on top I'll add the chicken stock, because when you boil the chicken you get chicken stock. From that you add the chicken stock into this and beat it well. This is actually for to dip the chicken and get a coating with this mix what we made with this mix which what you made. So when you coat when you dip the chicken and mix on the maida, you will have a better coating. So mix this. So you don't have to add salt or anything because the stock has everything. So just one egg and the stock, and mix it well. And now let's fry this. Okay, so now let's fry this. Before that, we need to have a proper coating. So this is a stock. Stock is like I took one egg and then when I boil the chicken, you get the stock out. I mean, which is the boiled water that you mix with it. So it's become a stock for the to dip the chicken and flour. So let's do that. So I took a chicken. This is almost 90% done chicken. So I'll put this flour on top of it. Coat well. Then dust this. Dust well because otherwise it will have a soaky look. So dust well. Then dip into this. Okay. Then coat it again. Coat this again. And dust this well again. So keep aside. The same way, I take a small leg piece. So dust as well. So it's very important is to dust it, otherwise as I said, it will have a soaky texture. So mix it and keep it aside. I kept the oil to heat up. So now it's done. And you can see now my chickens are ready. So what I'll do, I'll fry now. So make sure that you should not crowd the chicken, but maximum you could do it in a small pan, 3 or 4. So let's fry this. Okay, I plated the chicken now. The Kentucky, I would say look-alike Kentucky chicken is ready. So you can see the whole coating has been fried well. And try this at home, and it goes well with bun and bread, or either bun or bread, and with the coleslaw. Try at home and let me know your feedback. So till then, bye bye.